So, hi guys, I'm Anjali Singh and this is my YouTube channel. Here I will share a lot of content related to design and vlogs. But for now, I'm going to start by showing you how to use a Canva in a simple way in a short video. So, are you ready guys? Please subscribe to my channel and follow me. I'm sure you will love the content. So, on this channel, you will learn how to design on Canva, how to create a resume and many more useful design tips and tricks. So guys, ready? Let's get started. How to create a resume in a Canva step by step, I'm sharing. Okay, so first you have to download Canva on the Play Store. It is free of cost. Okay, so I'm already downloaded, so I open. Okay, first step, then you have to go search bar. This is search bar. You have to type resume template. Second one. Okay, there's a multiple template appear, so select any one template you like and open it. So according me, I like this one. So now start editing the template according to your resume details step by step. So first change your name. Now edit your address, your Gmail, your phone number. Then you have to edit your experience. Then you have to edit your education's background. Then you have to add your additional informations. After you have all done this part, you have to click right. Then you have to download this button. Go to more option. You have to download. There's a multiple file type. You have to download in PDF format. So you have to click on PDF. Then you have to click on download. So this is very simple. Okay,